Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the icon size on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just tap and hold on the empty space on your home screen, just like that. Now from here, just tap on settings. Now from here, if you swipe the slider to the left side, you will decrease the size of the icons on your smartphone, just like that. Now, if you swipe the slider to the right side, you will increase the size of the icons on your smartphone, just like that. And this is how you can change the icon size on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.